All right, YouTube, we are back and we are done. I got the 4 bolts on the back of the caliper. Back here I got one. I got another one here. Let's see if I can get the camera back there. Yeah, so here's one. Here's the other one. Then down low, here's one. And then you can see the other one right there. So you get those tightened down to, those 4 get tightened down to 92 psi, foot-pounds of torque. The wheel hub, that one gets tightened down to 191 foot-pounds torque. These 6, let's see. These 6 get tightened down to 88 foot-pounds of torque. So there you go. I just sprayed the rotor down with brake clean. I will put my brake caliper bracket back on, my brake back on, put my new brake pads back on. I'm not going to shoot a video for that. I think most of you know how to do that. But yeah, it went on okay. Let me get in here. The only thing that I really had problem with it, I mean, because this whole assembly, the hub and the rotor, is quite heavy. And when you're trying to hold this and feed your wire all the way through, it's quite, and then you also got to deal with your axle sticking through there also. It can be kind of hard. There's a small piece of a tab just like this one down low here. I actually had to fold that in to get it through the knuckle because the axle is in the way. I just unfolded it and it's fine. But then, yeah, I just pounded them all up and got them all up in there and torqued all these down. And yeah, I mean, it's kind of a strenuous job. It would help to, you know, have your significant other or a buddy or somebody to kind of help you at times if you can call the neighbor. Yeah, hope's not much help, but that is it. Front wheel hub, rotor. Yeah, that cold chisel is really going to come in handy. I'm hoping the other side of the truck goes a little bit smoother. I don't think it's nearly as rusty as this is. But hey, this is what your cars look like in the Rust Belt. So I'm just going to leave with a saying from one of my other favorite YouTube mechanics. If I can do it, you can do it. That's from Eric O at South Main Auto. Go check out his channel. I learned a lot from him in the past year watching some of his videos. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this video was able to help you out in some way, shape, or form. I guess I should say I did put Loctite on all those bolts back there and on these. And I don't know if you prefer the liquid Loctite or whatever, but this is gel Loctite, so it doesn't run. Works for me. Not Loctite brand, and I'm not sponsored by any names that I may have mentioned here. But yeah, I'll throw the brakes on and get started on the other side. But I probably will not do a video for the other side because it's pretty much the same as this side. Talk to you later. Bye.